guys, this is Samantha. Thanks so much for stopping back and visiting my channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of the August 2020 Scrapping for Less mystery subscription package. Again, it comes in this beautiful teal envelope and I see some glitter. This makes me very excited because I love glitter so much. So I'm just going to put that envelope aside and get into this glitter because it looks fabulous. It looks like this is sort of a celebration birthday theme. So just opening this up and pulling out the glitter paper. So first up I see this pretty yellow sheet and there is some shedding. I have an idea though. All you have to do if you have glitter paper that sheds is take some inexpensive hairspray, give it a spritz, and let it dry before you use it, and it won't shed at all. Promise. This is a really easy trick. So we've got the yellow, we've got this really nice orange shade. Love the shimmer. So pretty. That sheds as well, but again, not a problem. Then I have this beautiful rich red and this very pretty blue. Love this glitter paper. Going to get into the rest of the package here, and again we have some patterned paper and it goes along with this birthday theme. There are six sheets of patterned cardstock and it is double-sided, which I love. It just adds to the versatility. I really love this polka dot pattern. Very cute. There's swirls with some party kids, stars, happy birthday print, some diagonal stripes, some blue swirls, and I really love this cut apart sheet. So 6 sheets of patterned cardstock. There are 3 things left in the package. We've got this fun party festive themed sequins mix. We've got an Avery Elle stamp set. This one is called Party Fox. Really cute and fun. And then last but not least, we have a Sunny Studio die and it says wishes. That is so fun. So I'm really happy with what was in the grab bag or mystery subscription this month. I cannot wait to make some birthday cards with this, and I will have the link to the Scrapping for Less mystery subscription down in the description box below. Not an affiliate link or anything, just something to make it a little easier for you guys to find. Thanks so much for stopping back and visiting my channel, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, guys. Bye!